Hey everyone, it's Charlotte from the Kia Hyundai channel. Today we're talking all about driver comfort and one of my favorite features that I think gets overlooked a lot of the time. Some of you may be familiar with lumbar stabilization and things like the Kia Telluride or the Hyundai Palisade, but this EV9 is going to take it one step further and give us that real, true massaging driver seat function. And all of that is going to be done utilizing this button. Now let's take a look at what it does on our screen. So pressing that button I just showed you guys, it's going to bring up this option on our screen. So here you can see that we have the option for our ergo-motion seat, and from here you can select these three different options or to turn it off. And to do so, to select them, you're just going to hit the button that multiple times depending on which one you want. Now you can take it one step further by hitting the settings button, and this is going to allow you to change the intensity, the time intervals through this menu here. So from here you have the comfortable stretch option. So this is going to again be that true ergo-motion seat, that massage seat. So you can set the intensity to normal or something stronger, and then you can also change how long it's going to last, with the longest being for 20 minutes. If we come out of here, you'll also notice our Smart Posture Assist. So if we turn this on, it's going to give you a little bit of a warning and just also adjust the lumbar support to help reduce driver fatigue and also to help your posture, especially if you are doing those long haul drives, over an hour, stuff like that. And then as we look at our last option, we have use lumbar stabilization while driving. So if you are driving, what you can do is if you're driving for either intervals of 30 minutes or an hour, every time that you're driving, every 30 minutes or every hour, whatever you select it to, it's going to kick on for a little bit just to, again, give you a little bit of relief, help reduce driver fatigue. That way you can be attentive on the road and stay comfortable while you're doing it. If you guys found this video helpful, please like this video, leave a comment down below on which feature you want to see explained next, or if you like to use lumbar stabilization, there we go, because I know that I certainly do on long trips. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you next time. Bye!